Introducing the Samsung Galaxy M07 in black, featuring 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It boasts an excellent rating and is recognized as Amazon's choice, with over 5,000 units sold in the past month. The Galaxy M07 is designed to attract with its slim 7.6mm profile. Key features include the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, IP54 Dust and Water rating, a 50-megapixels autofocus camera, 5,000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging, and 6 generations of OS upgrades. Note that it comes without a charger. Experience powerful performance with the Galaxy M07, currently priced at 6,799 rupees, a 32% discount from the MRP of 9,999 rupees. EMI options start at 330 rupees with no-cost EMI available. Enjoy segment-best performance with the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. It achieves an Antutu score of 422K+, runs Android 15 with One UI 7.0, and features an octa-core processor. Other top reasons to buy include IP54 protection and a sleek design. The Galaxy M07 is built for your peace of mind with IP54 Dust and Water protection, ideal for any condition. It has a stunningly slim 7.6mm sleek design with a glass fiber reinforced polymer back. Capture picture-perfect clicks every time. The phone features a 50-megapixels high-resolution dual camera for sharp pictures and an 8-megapixels front camera for stunning selfies. It also supports FHD 1920 by 1080 video resolution. Enjoy a captivating viewing experience and all-day power. The phone has a bigger 6.7-inch display with HD+ resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Powering it is a massive 5,000 mAh battery with C-Type 25W fast charging. Customers praise the excellent performance and value for money, noting it as the best 4G phone under 7,000. Display quality, particularly the 90 Hz HD display, receives positive feedback. As part of Galaxy M Pride, it is designed and made in India, supported by 3,300+ service touchpoints. Some mixed reviews exist regarding battery life and camera quality. While some find the battery good, others note long charging times or criticize the camera. Despite these points, the Galaxy M07 offers overall good performance in its